How to get more FPS on Roblox. First, you want to go on the search bar and type run, and you want to open run. Over here, you want to write temp. Once you search for temp, you want to click and continue, and it's going to show you all these files. You can delete all of this file, okay? Because sometimes these files cause your PC to lag. Once this is deleted, you want to search for run again, and this time you want to write %temp and %. Click on OK. Now do the same over here. Control A and delete all of this folder. Make sure this is tick marked and click and continue, and all of this will be deleted. Once all of this is deleted, you can right click recycle bin, empty recycle bin, click on yes, click on continue, and your recycle bin will be emptied. Now you can open up any game in Roblox. So I'm just going to open a random game over here and wait for some time. And once you're inside the game, you can click on this little button at the top and click on settings, and make sure you scroll down until you're on the graphics mode. Make sure to switch it to manual and put it on the lowest graphics. The lower the graphics, the more FPS you're going to get. Now you can click on resume and start playing the game in high FPS. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.